Hi.
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 So I heard that you were really happy with something you ate today.
Yeah, I had a cookies and cream Pop-Tart. It was really good. I really appreciated the cream filling.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that reminds me.
Oh, be careful.
What one?
Pre-chewed. Yeah?
Okay. Take that.
Thanks.
Aren't you gonna eat it?
I'm gonna be full. Here, have mine.
See, you got it though. But you got it. You gave it to me. I gave it to you. You're gonna break my muscle.
Oh, what?
I'm picking one of your pillows.
What? Not on my pillow.
You're gonna break my muscle.
Jeez.
Put it in my mouth. Put that in.
I already did.
Put it in.
This box, this was supposed to be a really nice little, food critique. And now it's you threatening me with pretzels in your mouth.
Oh, okay. These are very salty pretzels. And they have a nice texture. There!
Oh, God!
There! I'm saving it for later. I think I'm about giving one to Rebels.
Is it gonna be one of those
You
pieces?
wanna follow me?
You're gonna get pretzels everywhere, though.
Ooh! Put it in.
No, I know!
I know. 1, 2, 3. Wait, what comes after 3?
4.
Oh! I lost count.
Hey, there's a piece over
Oh
here.
God, I already had one in my mouth. 5.
Oh my God, Specs, they're all going down the
I need a
spout.
tissue. My nose is stuffed up.
Well, swallow your pretzels first. Give on another one.
Okay. I'm letting it.
Blow. Stop blowing.
Oh, better. Fix my whiskers too.
God, I feel like a wet nurse. What's going on here?
I'm not wet. I'm only wet when I'm out of the water. And in the water.
Oh my.
I forgot to swallow.
Oh my God.
I always forget to swallow.
What?
Oh.
Pan toasted angel food cake with vanilla custard. Pan toasted.
When are you gonna eat it?
When I'm done softening it.
Oh man. Oh man, I bet you wish you'd brought your dentures.
want the rest?
No thanks.
Why are you watching me eat the pretzels?
No reason.
Oh, well, okay. I need a drink now. These pretzels are making me thirsty. These glasses are too small for my face.
I know.
Want some?
No thanks.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. Oh
Because I didn't swallow it enough. It's in my craw.
no. Come there. All gone.
Ah!